Welcome to this Boxing Day video featuring two very lovely locomotives. The first is a Hornby Midland Compound that, despite its age and tender drive, still runs very well indeed. These locos were designed by Samuel Johnson and were in fact three-cylinder machines, having one very high-pressure cylinder between the frames and two low-pressure cylinders outside. It is presented in 1902 livery. The model dates from between 1983 and 1985, so that's 38 years ago. Catalogue number was R355. The locomotive is in charge of a set of 4 Hornby clearstory Midland coaches. Catalogue number R452 can be used as a guide. Our train now pulls into the siding and passes by a brand new Midland locomotive for 2020 in the shape of the exquisite Bachmann 1P 1532 class. See my review of her. Top right of the screen will be a link. The 1P now shunts off a brake coach and then couples on to the 3 remaining coaches before heading off with a local service. I think this locomotive represents the zenith of the ready-to-run scene, so really it's hardly fair to compare it with the 38-year-old Hornby model, so let's not, and just enjoy them for what they are. I'll now let you enjoy, uninterrupted, the 1P running.